We are going to walk through the steps to flash the Cartographer. I have a V4 Cartographer installed on the printer. It is currently plugged into the USB port. We're going to go to option 3, Cartographer Tools, and we are going to choose option 1, normal USB Katapult Firmware Flash. It gives you the code that it reads off of the Cartographer, the 1D50:614E, and it's going to ask you if the Cartographer is connected and ready to flash the firmware. So yes, enter. It's going to go through and load the firmware utility. So it's detected that it's a V4 and that it has 6.0.0 firmware installed. So you have 3 options. You can install the full firmware, the light firmware, or abort back out. We're going to go with option 1, the full firmware. Full is recommended. It's a faster comms rate. So choosing selection 1, enter. It'll now start flashing, and once it's done flashing, it'll go through and verify what it's written. So it flashed, it verified, tells you it's complete. Hit enter to exit, hit enter again, and we're back at the main menu.